Be talking about tools and supplies. Hi, we're going to get started, but first I'm going to show you some of the tools and supplies that are needed for doing the repair. I always like wearing an apron. That way I can wipe down the windshield and wipe it on the apron as opposed to my clothes so I can still look clean. Some of the things that you're going to need are a drill. With this drill, I like to use the carbide tip. In fact, you need to use a carbide tip in order to drill into glass. Also, you're going to need a torch. With a torch, what you're doing is heating up the brake before you prep it. You'll also need some cellophane patches, which you can get online or at your windshield repair suppliers. Most important part of windshield repair is your bridge. The bridge actually adheres to the glass so that you can use your piston to inject and siphon the air out. Aside from that, you're going to need your couple of resins. With the resins, they can only be purchased from your windshield repair company suppliers. They're not actually epoxies or glues, what they're mistaken for sometimes. They're actually an anaerobic resin that cures by ultraviolet light. Two resins in particular, one injects into the brake and the other one, the thicker one, is used to resurface the glass after you're done with the repair. You'll need to have a probe, and I like a probe that can actually be broken in half so that I can use it as a chisel to break away some of the flaking glass. Beyond that, you'll just need a razor blade so that you can scrape down the glass, make it flush at the end of your repair, and just some ordinary glass cleaner so that you can get it clean.